EE Mobile Operator Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. EE is the UK's largest and fastest mobile network, known for its excellent coverage, high-speed 5G, and premium services. If you're interested, check the links in the description for more details. Now let's go over its features, who it's best for, and its strengths and weaknesses. EE offers a variety of pay monthly, SIM-only and pay-as-you-go plans, with data options ranging from small allowances to unlimited plans. It consistently ranks as the UK's fastest mobile network, delivering top-tier 4G and 5G speeds, making it ideal for streaming, gaming, and working on the go. EE also provides extras like swappable benefits, allowing users to choose perks such as free Apple Music, video data passes, or roaming add-ons. Business users can take advantage of EE's dedicated plans with priority customer support. Family plans are available, offering discounts when adding multiple lines. EE's Stay Connected feature ensures that even after exceeding your data allowance, you'll still have access to essential apps like WhatsApp and email. Who is EE best for? It's perfect for users who want the fastest mobile data speeds and the most reliable UK coverage. If you travel frequently, EE's international roaming add-ons make it a strong choice. Business users and families looking for premium network quality with strong customer support will also benefit. Now let's discuss the downsides. The biggest drawback is pricing. EE is one of the most expensive networks in the UK. While its plans offer great value in terms of speed and coverage, budget-conscious users may find better deals with Three or Vodafone. Another potential downside is that EE's international roaming isn't free in Europe anymore, requiring additional add-ons. Lastly, while EE's 5G coverage is expanding quickly, some rural areas may still experience weaker service compared to urban locations. In summary, EE is the best choice for those who want the UK's fastest and most reliable mobile network, along with premium perks and business-friendly features. However, it comes at a higher price, and roaming can be costly. If EE sounds like the right network for you, check the links in the description. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mobile carrier reviews.